eXpresso Smiles brought to you by Dentyne.
So September is Oral Hygiene Month and today is International Oral Hygiene Day, and we're going to find out more about how to get that perfect, healthy smile. And we've invited Georgie from Dentyne. We've also got a dentist in studio, Nadia, to give us some more advice. Good morning. Welcome to eXpresso.
Good morning.
Now, Dentyne started, and I thought it was a rumor when I heard it started in 18-something, and it's been spreading smiles amongst women for so many years. Is that true?
Yes, in fact, it was launched in New York in 1899.
Wow.
Many years ago, as the first gum to promote oral hygiene. And in fact, Dentyne's name comes from the combination of dental and hygiene. And, I mean, it is spreading smiles across the country. It's great tasting, it's good for your teeth.
Now, as a dentist, what's important for a person to look at when it comes to taking care of their mouth and of their teeth?
It's important to visit the dentist, preferably twice a year. It's also important for them to have a professional cleaning done by an oral hygienist, also twice a year. Besides that, they can actually brush their teeth at home 3 times a day, floss once a day, and use mouth rinses to help remove extra pieces of food. Other ways also to chew the gum that Georgie's been talking about.
Now, is there any truth to the fact that the food that you put in your mouth plays a big role when it comes to oral hygiene?
Absolutely. Everything that you put in your mouth is actually going to have an effect on not only your teeth but also the gums. So it's important to replace rather sugary foods with more healthy substances. Fizzy drinks is a big no-no. Try to avoid that and rather drink water instead. You don't want the pH levels to be low. You want to change that and to avoid cavities in your teeth.
And Georgie, what's Dentyne doing to promote a healthier lifestyle and a healthier smile?
Well, Dentyne is sugar-free and contains xylitol, so there are many benefits to chewing Dentyne. Just by the action of chewing, you're producing more saliva, which helps wash away any of those food particles. It also retains and restores the pH level in your mouth, which helps prevent tooth decay and plaque growth. So it definitely is a great oral care partner for your teeth and gums.
Now, Georgie, Dentyne's just launched the new Dentyne White Peppermint. How does that compare to the other range?
Well, it also contains xylitol and is sugar-free. However, it does contain sodium stearate. So if you just have 2 pellets 4 times a day for 4 weeks, you'll achieve a whiter and brighter smile.
I'm definitely going to try that for 4 weeks and compare our smiles. And as a dentist, when a patient comes into you, what advice do you give to them when it comes to choosing a gum?
It's important, like Georgie said, to choose a sugar-free gum. You don't want to add on to the sugars already taken in by other foods. It's important to take it in between meals when you can't brush. For patients specifically who's got dry mouth and maybe immunosuppressive patients with xerostomia, that's what we call dry mouth, or a lack of saliva in the mouth, they can use an adjunct like a chewing gum to actually help the saliva flow in the mouth.
And Georgie, you've just launched a great campaign across the country with a variety of dentists.
Yes, we have, to help educate patients on oral care as well as the benefits of Dentyne. So we provided them with numerous packs that have educational posters and informational leaflets with samples to help aid in the education.
Thank you guys so much for joining us on International Oral Hygiene Day and helping us spread healthy smiles. We're also going to make you smile with a great competition with eXpresso and Dentyne. What you need to do is you need to nominate the person in your life that makes you smile. There's a prize for you and the person you nominate. Take a look at this.
eXpresso and Dentyne love your healthy smile. Tell us who always makes you smile, a friend, family member or colleague. We want to treat you and that one special person to an unforgettable experience. 2 luxurious nights at the African Pride 15 on Orange Hotel in Cape Town. Spa treatments, a session with a dental expert, and a never-to-be-forgotten dinner experience at Madame Zingara's Theatre of Dreams. All this valued at more than 15,000 Rand. Plus mango tickets to fly down if you're not in town. Send your nomination to smile@expressoshow.com today.
eXpresso Smiles brought to you by Dentyne.